India is rapidly transforming under the new Education Policy 2020, which envisions a system where learning is not just theoretical but experiential. By semester 5, every student is expected to complete an internship or a field project that connects classroom learning with real world application. But the ground reality is different. Most colleges struggle to make the internship work. Here's why: industry tie ups are weak, programs start late, no monitoring or mentorship, students are not industry ready, rural colleges are left behind. This broken system undermines the very goals of NEP: experiential learning, employability, and accountability. In short, what should be hands on, skill building experience ends up as a paperwork, confusion, and missed opportunities. Our solution is Prashiskshan, a centralized digital bridge connecting students, colleges, and industry to make NEP internships real, transparent, and skill focused. Think of it as a smart internship ecosystem rather than just a portal. Here's how it works: students register, fill their skill profiles, and access verified internship openings that match their discipline and location. Colleges act as academic anchors, assigning mentors, approving credits, and monitoring progress through dashboards. Industry partners can post openings, manage applications, and track intern performance all in one place. Each internship goes through a real time workflow. Student applies, faculty approves, employer shortlist, student joins, progress tracked, credit auto assigned, report auto generated. Everything is centralized, logged, and NEP-compliant. No more Excel sheets, manual approvals, or fake certificates. First, enter the application through splash screen where you will be asked 14 questions regarding language preferences, location preferences, qualification, graduation year, etc. We gamified the login setup by providing coins. Then there is a pop-up asking you to take the psychometric test like CAT, SJT, voice assessment, which is optional. The psychometric test results are also considered for providing matching internship links. So, the internship links that we provide are a combination of your career survey of 14 questions and your situation judgmentals or your cognitive ability. Once the internship links are generated, you can auto apply by uploading your resume on your profile. We also have dynamically generated free courses and practice questions related to each of these internship links, which are specific for each of the internship link. We then have two types of communities, private and public. Private ones need a join code and public ones are open to join. We also have a feed feature that enables students to like, share, comment on each other comment achievements. This is also gamified. We have a separate tab for life skills upgrader that analyzes your personality by using three types of tests: CAT, SJD, and voice assessment. We then have a separate tab for Smart Learning, which is paid courses hub for structured learning. Students can use coins as well as money to buy these courses. We integrated the development Razor Pay for the payment options of these courses. Next up is the most trending part, mock AI interviews. We have a feature of dynamic generation of interview. Next up is the most trending part, mock AI interviews. We have a feature of dynamic generation of interview questions by AI based on the job description. We have three types of interviews: technical, HR, and managerial. We have also built an code editor for technical questions. We use OpenAI Whisper to integrate the speech to text for accessibility during these interviews. The AI generates questions, evaluates your answers, provides feedback, and also shows you the correct answer. You can use the speech feature or the text feature to enter your answer. This is also gamified and provides you coins. The context-feeded AI engine provides you instant feedback and the score. The interview history is then stored in your profile. The faculty and employer dashboards are specifically designed to track the student's application. The role-based access to each of these dashboards is performed in our application. Once a faculty logs into the portal, he can look at various jobs, the descriptions, requirements, tech stack, and others. He can also look at the analytics of his students. For example, how many are placed and how many are not from his students. They can approve the student requests or reject them on the approvals tab. We have notification system for applications and other updates. An employer role login gives them access to look at who applied for the job. The applicants who applied for the job can be shortlisted, rejected, or also an interview can be scheduled. The interviews can be scheduled in both online and offline mode on the basis of the meeting link or the person who is going to take the interview. The employers can look at their company analytics of who has been applied, who has been selected, and others. We also have a register page which contains the roles required for this application. Selected the stack very carefully for India's realities. Flutter, one code base for Android, iOS, and web. Lightweight apps that run smoothly even on entry-level phones, which are common in rural India. Offline caching ensures basic features work without internet. Firebase provides authentication, database, and storage with low latency across regions. Unlike traditional servers, Firebase scales instantly with demand, critical when lakhs of students log in during peak periods. Gemini and Llama. Gemini brings advanced recommendation accuracy, while Llama ensures low resource multilingual fallback. Together, they guarantee fast, language inclusive AI responses at scale. Node.js and Express for extension backend, chosen for its event-driven non-blocking model that keeps latency low even under thousands of concurrent auto-apply requests. This combination means Apply as app is faster, lighter, and more inclusive than a heavy web app or a native single platform app. It directly addresses the rural India challenge: low bandwidth, low end devices, and the need for instant response. For the faculty and company dashboards, we use React plus White for front end with SAS for fast, modular, and maintainable UI. For state and data, we use Justin for lightweight state management and Axios for smooth API communication. For backend, we use Node plus Express, which powers scalable and secure REST APIs. For the communication layer, we use Socket IO that enables real-time updates. For instance, when an employer approves an application, the student and faculty see it instantly. NoteMailer handles automated emails and internship confirmations. Prashiksh's strength lies in its multi-stakeholder collaboration model. Students will help co-develop and test the system, earning NEP credits for their contribution. Colleges provide faculty mentorship, sign MOUs with industry, and host the app under their digital portal. Industry partners share openings, dashboards, and even offer a trial remote internship slots. Government education departments, NGOs, and skill centers act as outreach partners for large scale adoption. This design ensures sustainability, not just a project but an evolving digital public infrastructure for experiential learning. With Prashikshan, we expect streamlined internship process, a one-stop platform to find, apply, and complete internships. Higher participation, especially from rural and Tier 2 and 3 colleges, through multilingual access, real skill development, built-in learning resources, and pre-internship readiness modules. Better faculty engagement, dashboards for mentors to track progress and give feedback, authentic NEP-compliant reports, automatic logbooks prevent fake certificates, data-driven decisions. Colleges get analytics on skill gaps and industry needs. In short, this app doesn't just connect, it empowers. It brings NEP's vision of holistic experiential education to life.